Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we will be seeing that how we can create groups by using EndNote. So suppose you have different references that you have already installed or already imported into EndNote, and now you want to create groups. For example, I want to create groups based on different parts of my research thesis. If you go here, you will see that there is an option which says my groups. So if you go on my groups, it will show you what are the different groups you have, and if you go to the R references, it will show you all of the references that you have already imported into EndNote. So when I go to my group, then I have to click right click, and then when you click right click, it will give you an option which says create group. So on clicking it, it will create a new group, and you can give the name to the group. Let's say I give it the name of introduction, and then I create another group and I give it a name of, let's say, methodology, let's say. And I give a third group which I give a name of, let's say, conclusion. So I have created three groups, and now I want to import references. So after creating the group, the next thing comes is how we can import references into these groups. So let's suppose I want to select different references from my references. So for example, if I want to import this one, and then you need to click the control button and select the other reference, and then you need to select as many references as you want to import into a particular group. So upon doing this, then you need to select them by pressing the mouse button, and then you hold it on and drag it into the group that you want to import the references. And as soon as it gives this symbol of plus, then you can really leave the mouse button, and it will import all of the references into a particular group. So these references will remain in all of the references, and these 8 references will be a part of a particular group as well. So in this way, you can import your references as and into group, and this is the way that how you can create the groups as well. So I hope this video is going to help you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.